Hello my friends, this is Wakeangel2K1 and I'm coming at you with an unboxing of the Sonic the Hedgehog movie Blu-ray set. This is the first ever Blu-ray set that I ever purchased, mostly because I do not own a Blu-ray player or a PlayStation 4. So, yeah. It comes with a promotional comic book that apparently the DVD version doesn't come with. So, for the sake of the comic book, I shelled out extra to get the Blu-ray. So, of course, as soon as it arrived in the mail, funny enough, this was supposed to arrive tomorrow. So it actually got here early. So, those Amazon guys are really up in their game. We have the front cover, which basically looks like the movie poster with Jim Carrey looming large and the movie version of Sonic. I am so happy that they redesigned Sonic. That weird little gremlin looking thing that they had for the first trailer just would not look too good. And the back it almost looks like a live action screen cap from the Sonic X anime with Sonic lying on top of a police car. Hey, this is a bad example for the kids. Kids, don't ride on the outsides of cars. So yes, with the Blu-ray, you get included bonus features such as the deleted scenes and the bloopers. Apparently a preview of what the sequel's going to be like with Sonic's next adventure. And the Building Robotnik with Jim Carrey, which is probably a really entertaining interview. So, I gotta find a friend or family member that has a Blu-ray player so we could actually see that. Okay, so let's take the slipcover off, and underneath you have, again, it's the front cover, although the back is where they show that comic book, which has this really cool pixelated art style. It looks 16-bit. The Adventures of Sonic and Donut Lord. Now, I haven't opened it, but I did take off some of the plastic wrap so that it will be easy for me to get my hand under it and quickly do it right here on this camera. So, yeah, every time I look down, my nose fills up. I have some kind of allergies. I'm not sure if they're indoor allergies or seasonal allergies, but I have some allergies. Yeah. Okay, so here is that much prized comic book that made me shell out for my first ever Blu-ray set. I like the back cover too. It has like rope. It has like, actually, is this a? Yes, this is a wraparound. Look at that. That's actually really good. That's cool. Yeah, like that's from the ending credits sequence with the 16-bit version of the live-action Robotnik in his flying jet thing. That's really cool. So let's actually take a look at the comic inside real quick. The Adventures of Sonic and Donut Lord. Oh wow, that is some small text. Oh cool, it's like, it appears to be done. I was kind of hoping that the team from the IDW comic would have drawn it, but it looks like the whole thing has been replicated in sprite artwork. That's actually, I'm kind of okay with that. Like, I would have preferred... stupid nose. I would have preferred the IDW team do this, like the same team that worked on the Archie comics, but this is also good. This is fine. I like this. And I'm sorry I'm not reading through it, but I'm pretty sure a digital copy of this will be available somewhere, and you can always buy your own Blu-ray set. But yeah, it basically just seems to be a quick recap of the movie done in sprite art. Like during the closing credits when the movie was ending, this is just a comic book version of that. Look, they even have Sonic doing his Dragon Ball Z power-up sequence. That's cool. And look, his race car bed. And yes, I do believe that a race car bed seems kind of on the nose for Sonic, but I do believe that it is a reference to the Archie comic because Sonic had a red race car bed in the Archie comic. Because what else would Sonic sleep in? So, yeah, I'll give that a thorough read later on, but that's pretty cool. Nice little sprite comic. That's cool. Okay, so let's open up the DVD case itself and see what's in here. It's a Blu-ray, DVD, and digital copy, so... Oh. The redemption code for the digital copy is on this paperwork, so I don't want that to be on screen because someone might redeem my copy. Don't want that to happen. Alright, so the DVD is on the left and the Blu-ray is on the right. Yep, and the Blu-ray is blue and the DVD is gray. Huh. I was kind of hoping that there would be cool artwork on there. Like, you know, like with the DVD set for the Sonic Sat AM cartoon, like it has a cool it has cool fan art drawn on all of the discs. So I was kind of hoping that we get something like that for this, but I guess it's just plain discs. Yeah, well. Nothing particularly special about that. Although there's advertisements for the Sonic mobile games, Sonic Dash, Sonic Forces Speed Battle. I have played Sonic Dash a little bit, but the tablet that I had couldn't run it very well. It was very laggy, and I never played Sonic Forces Speed Battle. Like, I guess I can add that to like one of the 5 Sonic games that I've never had a chance to play because I don't have the proper platform for it. Like, I never played Knuckles Chaotix because it didn't have a 32X. I never played either of the Sonic Rivals games because I never had a PlayStation Portable. I never played Sonic Live Arcade because it was an arcade game that never had an official console port. And now Sonic Dash. Yep, I do believe that is the full list of Sonic games that I've never played. Yeah, that's it. I have played every other Sonic game that's ever been made except for those. And then there's merch. I actually have the T-shirt. I had the T-shirt with this artwork, but it's a T-shirt, not a long sleeve shirt like that. And of course, there's more stuff, like the live action Dora the Explorer movie. Yeah, I play that. Okay, so I think that you know, the comic book is a nice little bonus, and I really like this movie, and I wanted to own a physical copy of it because I loved it that much. So that's the story. This is Wakeangel 2001 with a rather simple unboxing of a small little thing, and I'm signing off.